How we doing, everyone? My name is Luis. Welcome to my channel, Lou It All. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a whirlpool washer. Have you ever had the code f-21? Well, today I'm going to help you fix that problem. Today we have a washer that's not working right now. It has this code here. I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's actually a whirlpool. I'll show you how to fix it. If you have one of these, let me know in the comments below. So here we have the whirlpool washer with the f-21 code, which means the washing machine has a water draining issue. Meaning the drain itself or the drain hose is clogged. The washer is having problems draining the water out. In other words, the washer is taking too long to drain the water out of the tub. So we're gonna turn off the power here. And I'll show you how to fix this problem. So first we're going to take off these two little screws here and here. There you go. I'm going to pop this off. I'm going to go to this little thing here. Remove it. It's a little hard. Look at all this gunk here. Make sure it's clean in here. Let's pop this back in. Pop this back on. Good job. You're gonna use a wet vac to clean this out because you see a lot of spillage of water. So now you're gonna just drill these in. So we're all done. So it should work now. So we're gonna plug it in back. We're gonna plug it in. Oh, without the code, we can start it up now. So there you go. Hope you found this informative. Let me know. Thanks for watching.